this podcast is not a bad idea after all. And it's something that I'm willing to try.
I think I got podcast if it were drama ya lapa, so it's okay.
I'm gonna tell you what. How was it? Sarcastic. Madam, I know what. And that's a whole. I can say, well, I like yes, got the tank, is it to tank? You are like,
I sell in a principal. Whatever. You're going to put your value to it's all really going. It's for the better.
If this footage gives us names, the suicide narrative collapses.
Frame by frame.
I do have a search warrant just to access your CCTV.
Come on, man. Pull yourself together. You are drawing attention. Just let the cops do their job, okay? Answer. Calm down, okay? So this is what we'll do. You will say that father came here once when those two heavies came here. You hear me?
Okay, I think that we've got all that we need. Thank you so much. Oh, one more thing I forgot to ask you. I've asked them, of process already. When father came here, did you notice anything suspicious?
Lhasa got him some food, and then these strange big guys came in and started shoving him around, and then they took him out the restaurant.
Okay, well, I think that's it then. Thank you so much.
Sergeant?
Thanks, Sarge.
You, my friend, did very well. Well done.
That was effortless.
Yep.
I hope you two are happy. I'm officially a criminal.
Hey.
Thanks to you two.
Franzo, calm down. What the hell is this? Franzo, wait, where are you going? Calm down. Okay.
Okay, just show it. No. Let's not like it's not too sharp. Oh, hi. Good, okay. Good. Fancy, please meet our wonderful, talented makeup artist with golden hands. I swear, thank you so much for coming. Set up a okay.
Please come this side.
All right, now. Will you get clap? All the best.
No. Please, how I get go up a little chip tell we be poor on the side.
Oh, my back. The clumpats.
I've been like daily bread. I'll do this every day.
Everything. Yeah. No, all the best. Mrs. Maposa, thank you for allowing me to spoil you and for honoring our vows of forgiveness always.
Well, unenhlanhla ukuthi ukudla kwakho bekumnandi. Kodwa nami ngiyaxolisa. I know ukuthi isikhathi noLauren is a bit weird, but bengifuna nje ukuthi ngazi ukuthi bekwenzakalani ngoClement.
Yeah, kanti-ke futhi nami angifuni ukube ngathi ngiyakulawula. You're more than welcome to befriend whoever you want.
Yazi imizwa yami ngitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe kukhona okunye.
Imoto yakho entsha.
Oh.
I mean, it is your first long-distance drive with this.
I'm just going to put her on cruise control and then we'll pause manje we'll go sing figurative.
And when you come back, I'll make sure it feels like our honeymoon.
Oh, and does that include that hodgepodge that you made for me?
Konje hippi, yazi ngathi ngikhohlwa ama-ingredients.
Well, that's a very bad business decision, Mr. Maposa. Because you are sitting on R1 million recipe.
I love how you think, but I love you more.
Maybe too, baby.
Think pelezele motweni ke.
How? You're not feeling more damage.
What? You've got the keys. I just want to make sure your engine is right.
Well, nesiqiniseko sokuthi bizongitshela if something was wrong. But okay, be my guest.
You never know.
La bogala dijo. Lore. Lo kgonne go tla ebe ke le phone e tšempa. E ka ba mo menya re tsoga bjang.
Ba be ba robetse ge ke fitla mo mabane. And ba sa robetse ke nagana gore ba be ba rapile kudu.
Mem. E be ke sa nagana gore ke kgopolo e botse gore le ba tlogele mo ntlong ba le one. E fela nna le tšetšana le di-excellent tše le gore ra di ngwala today.
Nka dula le bona. Le na le ska tshwenyega yang sekolong a ke ke tla shara le bona ke na le class e tse fela later on in the afternoon e leng gore ke a invigilate.
Go pa le tlhotlholetse papa le ba encourage gore ba ske ba give up. Because ba tshwanetse gore ba e lwele position ya bona. Ke ntho e le gore re e nyaka.
Maybe banga ba principal ya sekolong saka. Wow. Okay, ke tla ba botsa le nna ke timang leng sekolong a ke re pele le latela. Bye.
Honored.
Ka botse boys.
Hey, Sish.
Bana. Pastor ba tsilo.
Awa, haile ba ile sekolong.
Oh. Okay. That's fine.
Alfred,
Yeah?
bana ba tshwenyegile ka wena. Ba re ba o bone o lla mabane.
No, I didn't need it. It's going to be a big if you get
It's okay. It's okay. Oba vulnerable.
Yeah.
As long as you ska give up, Alfred, please. Ba re ba nyaka gore ba ba bona must fight.
Yeah. Give me a job, Papi. Well, they've accepted my resignation letter. And Manaka, get lower, Legas. Gaspit.
Bia le shetse ba nyako appointa an acting principal. Bana.
Aga, can I resign the marriage message? I'm sorry about Tungushab Pelo.
Ke kwishisha.
Hey guys. No, don't worry. I'll be out of your way soon. I know you're busy. How? Guess you're going to get they'd be here by now.
Babe, what's about 12 banyamage? Gone. I read about guy. And what's going to go to cancel to the chicken mook? Everything because about.
Whoa. One. Okay? I call a podcast. I mean, to be honest, those are the episodes that I like.
Ke tshepisitse batheletše ba ka gore ke tlo ba tlišetša a special interesting guest and now nothing.
On that note, why is it leeto?
Ke tsebe.
Chum, you've got nothing to lose. How about we are desperate?
Okay. Are ke letse.
Yeah.
Liana leeto ga a arabe. Mara nteba le yena, how could you be so unprofessional? What's up?
We have 15 minutes before we go live.
Okay, guys. Let's see. Hey, Spola. Bona, leeto ka ga. Mapitso tlhoka favor. We need leeto on her podcast like gona bele. All right. So, executive producer. Ne?
Good morning, Mr. Chill. Credit to you. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Come in. Please sit down.
Thank you. I haven't been summoned for a formal meeting like this in a while. It's nerve-wracking.
Miss Maswahla.
Yes, ma'am.
Lebaka le ko bile tšeng lona mo ko go ja gore re tšere sephetho sa go thola bjale ka tlhogo ya sekolo ya motho a dutše. So re tlo fa contract ya 6 months le thego yeo e tlhokang gore o kgone go sepediša sekolo sa gabotse go fitlhelela mafelelong a ngwaga.
Ke a leboga. This truly is an honor.
Gape o tsebe gore maemo a kana go fitlhelela re hwetša hlogo ya sekolo e na le maswanedi.
I will make sure that I do better. Those children deserve better. And I know I can do better. So ke a leboga. Thank you.
I still don't understand how smoothly we got the CCTV footage.
So, Mapos, I didn't fight us for this. Is it the honeymoon mode?
And that's what I don't get, man. Even Pomolo was easy. I mean, the only jumpy person was Francois.
And I mean, when we came out, he was okay.
Take the W, Peterson. It's a rare win. They are obedient citizens for once.
This is exactly how we make AI work for us. These two got arrested last year at a nightclub for grievous bodily harm assault. They are the Voronin brothers, Miroslav and Stanislav.
Names sound familiar.
Oh, names sound Russian, like they linked to some mafia or something.
They could be Russian, or Ukrainian, or even Polish. Anywhere in those regions.
They were never convicted because the victims dropped the charges.
I managed to get their business address.
Oh. Yeah, please get me a search warrant and arrest warrant for this address.
Oh, and ask him to send extra units as well. We don't know what we're walking into with this mafia types.
Tabela, my name is Amapitsi Maputa and welcome to the platform that you deserve. Today we have a very, very special guest. We've got an internationally recognized DJ, a decorated legal advisor, and of course, a family man who has defined success in his own way. But now, what he's also doing is entering the charts. Kamushito. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the amazing and talented Leeto Maputa, aka DJ LT.
Wow. Yo, I can't live. I can't
Yo, how are not thabela gore no fitla mo go ba le rena gore re bula ka dilo ka moka about kgolo, go ithuta and everything in between.
Mpotšemo jwale ka re mahlatsa fedile bo papa ba barakile a o sa le mpšenana ho ya principal o tlile o tla jwang a tlhatse
Tlhongwane, Bafana, go tlhokomela ne?
o tseba bjang gore ke nnete taba e bolelang
nnete keng a mona mosalla wa tshoša o tshoša go fitlhisa batista mona bone sefatego sa ge gape ntšane tša tsena ka matsena e tswa le song
So jwale e tlo ba principal ya rena e ntshwa.
No, you fool. Not I'm hockey quelling from my teacher. But she's the one who's going to be making the decision now what principal ama wa what's ama wa shalama. Come on na quelling.
na ba principal ma go ska tsamaya gape he's actually cool
ya ebile ga ke nagane gore re nyaka mosadolo wa go tšhoša a be a ba principal.
Guys, ke kola ba le na gago ke Joyce Maputla ena ga ra lokelo.
ema gorile Joyce Maputla
Joyce Maputla.
go diegang ka batho ba ga Maputla mara e kore ba kgotsofale wa ramo la motho mo ba bolele bopapa ka gane ba tsobane kore ke be ka re ga bodidi
ke kwa bothoko gore ga ke tsebe le gore nako ba thušiwa
Let's just hope gore go sa tsere go iwa go bona Clement kwa ga mloto. Then ba tla mmona gore at least go tša thušo and then she'll feel better.
hey man re golo fela gore Clement le ena se ra re fitha kwa thoma go khita selwala throw di-tantrums a re ena o nyoko go ya gae because ke a tseba gore boma ba ka se mo ganetse ape ba na le soft spot kudu for yena
Ba ka se kgone gore ba mtšee ka pele gape until a fetša program ge e le gore ga ba se bone seo go ra gore wena o swantse o netefatše gore she realizes that.
ebe wa le mo wa re bolela ka mantuli kae wane mo aka o mabaka nno dira ntho ngwe le ngwe e le gore ba e rata well motlho mongwe nna ke tshwanetse gore nke bolele le kgaetsedi pretty man e be ena a direlang gore a ba bontšhe gore tabe e serious ga kaka
Yeah, no, you do that. Because wa bona ge ba ka tša Clement before a fetša ntho ele ya gage program ya gage there's a possibility ya gore a ka relapse and go bolela nnete mmele wa Clement can't take any more substance gore ga a ka kgotša cocaine.
yena gona fela o sa lebagane le mathatanyana kwa lebenkeleng
ya fela le a tseba gore mang ke ba le moki awa nke benyetse ba tswela pele ba legadi ka gore o tlhagileng kwa hearing ele
Leto le o nagana gore ka nnete be ke tla mmotsa gore o tlhagileng kwa nna awa ebile o ntse ba botse.
mara I'm sure we can all guess and nna ke bona gore yo lama goma o resignile dintša tseba gore no man o dirile phoso o na le bokilitinyana ba
e le gore ke eng seo se dirang gore o nagane gore o itokolotse mošomong
nna ke advice nne ke tla mo fa yona nke be ke le lware ya gagwe ke tla motsa gore ape bona by resigning go bona o kare maybe o guilty or resign now then you can still keep your pension fund
o bona batho ba go dira bomanage go swana le bo Alfred be go swanetse go dira motlhala ka bona ba latlhelwe kgole gong nako e telele fela ga o bjalo ba fiwa ditšhelete tse dintšintši le megolo ya bonona
yeah no ke system ya gona eo
Ngwana nkompotimo wa o sa dire gore o khwetse license ya gago back gore o kgone go lantšha dilo
yeah no re tla nagana ka yona I was hoping not to see you here today.
Don't worry, this pretty face will be in bloom soon. Don't miss me too much.
You're leaving in the middle of the water's investigation.
Francois, correction. We're not being investigated, boy. We are assisting the cops with their investigation.
I don't believe it.
Hey, Francois. Hey, look at me. If you stick to the script I gave you, you won't have to be someone's wife in prison. You hear me?
Why did I ever get in business with the Maposas? You guys have made me an accomplice to all your evil ways.
Running with the big boys, Francois, requires big gun.
Never asked for any of this.
Yet you stayed. You came all the way from Limpopo, partnered with Lehasa, and stayed, even when you found out how he does business. You still stayed, Francois. Now, who's fooling you here? Don't be ashamed. You like it, don't you?
Alfred ke paletswe ko go mo mema mma. Unfortunately, he's going through a lot.
What's a menier? E ke nagana gore di-maths lessons tša gage ke tsona tše e leng gore go nne nna ke kgone go ipitša doctor.
Wa kere o sa ke be ke nagana gore no, the next generation, honestly, they're going to miss out on his brilliance. Ka gore bjale he's stepping down as principal ya Tshefai. Yeah.
What's okay? Keep fault, yes, Mosisi ye ka moka.
Mana be kgopela gore motho la re ska tlhore bolela ka yena kore yo. Anyway, the cribly ke tlo le kgopela. Gore le nthušeng go brainstorma maina for baby.
Ya. Indaba ezimnandi lezo mntanami yazi. What's okay? Re ka mmitša Annabeth wona ka. O re mmitše Matlakala. Le ka o leone.
Matla le nyaka bitša ngwana rena Matlakala ma.
Mamela mama wena mntana wa tseba lena le le ilo mo protector. Ho memoya e mebe.
Jeez, you can't be here.
Well, I know Pretty's in turf. She called me from the N1 at a rest stop. She needed some medical advice about Clement.
Okay, but I told you to stay away from her. And me.
Don't flatter yourself. I'm not here to seduce you.
What's this?
Do you know who these two men are? They were arrested this afternoon in connection to Father's murder. You don't seem shocked. You knew.
I don't know them. And why would I react anyways?
Oh, because these men were framed. By who? You?
Careful. You're treading on really dangerous grounds.
Well, I came to warn you. I still care for you, for some strange reason. These two men are small fish in a very big pond. They're part of an international crime syndicate, and their bosses will eat you alive if they must find out that you framed them. The can of worms that you opened, it's much bigger than you could possibly imagine. And you should be afraid. In fact, no. You should be terrified.